That was fucking slick.
Yup.
Now you're talking like a chav. It's slick.
That was slick, innit?
Well, that wasn't my fault.
I'm driving like big mad. Okay, I think I was still doing lead follow.
Er det platform?
So the guy in front picks which direction to go on the track.
Jeg er fucking god til at være aktiv i det sport. Jeg tror, jeg har været FK i 4 timer. Gustav, vi må sprøjte bare.
Oh no, Mercedes is going to take the lead in a second. Oh no, he's just flashing my... Oh my god, that's such a... He thinks it's the fucking Autobahn. Holy shit, you're so fast. I've got the Wankan E... Wait, what? Yeah, it is a Wankan car, isn't it? Which tyres do you have on top?
Semi-slicks.
So, oh, you...
Why can't I have my... Okay, look. My Civic has semi-slicks in single player. Why does it not have them here?
Gustav, kig lige i chat.
Something about the pool.
That's up to you, you're the leader. Okay, I straight up can't keep up.
Come on, man.
Crash.
I think I'm gonna take a break from this though.
Okay.
Alright, see ya.
See ya.
See ya.
Oh, fuck. I'm gonna crash here, I bet. Well, bit of rally there. Oh, fuck. How am I gonna make this turn? This car is fun to drive, but it's so fucking good.
Gustav, fik du også en besked? Ja.
Hvilken kommune er det?
Jo.
I don't speak Viking.
Det er faktisk... wait a second, kom. Det er faktisk Gustavs nabo, der er borgmester. Som havde sendt det besked. Det synes jeg var sjovt. Gustav? Jeg kan også sige det på engelsk. Har vi seen Maserati? De har lavet et elektrisk løbehjul. DKK.
That's not even a lot.
That's about 937 American dollars.
Well, I fucked up my wheel.
I think the scooter in chat. It's actually
Well, I
pretty
can't drive,
fucking
I
good
fucked up my
looking.
wheel. This car is so shit.
Yeah, it's really fucking good looking.
Wait, are you about to wait, hold on. You wanna buy an electric scooter?
No. I just said they made one.
Who cares?
Shut the fuck up, Popper. You live in Netherlands. You still fucking ride bicycles. It was a joke.
Oh. You said it like we didn't invent the car yet. Out here.
Oh, locked
Yeah,
on
but-
brakes. Yeah,
Gustav,
Gustav,
Gustav, kig på det der billede. For helvede, mand. Kender du det der billede, hvor Jesus han sidder og han sidder og æder mad sammen med alle de der andre?
cold tires, cold tires. Oh, Sky's gonna take it. Yeah, Sky's got it.
Det er bare, hvor Gud han sidder sådan hvor og spiser. Eller nej, Jesus sidder ved Gud og spiser, og der sådan, så har de sat en politibetjent ind over, og så står der, jeg vil skide på, hvem din far er, festen stopper nu.
Come on, cold tires. Power through this. Barber. He's goddamn Barber in his Nissan. Barber.
The Barber. Well,
this car is fun to drive though.
I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna come again later. See ya.
Oh, keep knocking up the inner brakes. Come on. Papa, if you remove this Peugeot, I'm not playing again.
But
So fun to drive. Yeah, we need to add more like 90s and 80s cars.
yeah, we got an R34, we got an R33, we got an RX-7, we got a fucking Peugeot, we got a fucking Civic.
Yeah, but we need more stock cars. Oh, understood. Or just close the door and... Oh, there he goes, there he goes. Oh my god, you're so fast. How fast are you going right now?
When you drive to the left without reversing.
So you're going 30 kilometers and you're going 20% faster at every straight.
You talking about me?
I went 162. For a little car like this, it's excellent. Oh yeah, you should try it.
Why?
Yeah, the thing is, a fucking tuned Skyline can't even keep up with it.
Alright, definitely. Fuck that. Fuck that piece of shit.
Go in the yellow bird, come on. Yes, get on with it. Taxi man crashed again. Yeah, tachometer. Or the red gauge. Or tachometer. Probably is tachometer, isn't it? Oh, you're catching. Oh, you are catching. I'm fucking revving it out to 8 or 7.5 every time. Yeah. We need to do like a 10-car lead follow with 5 liters or like 5 liters of fuel. Whoever runs out the last wins. But you have to keep up with the group. Oh, I see you doing power slides. Negative camper.
Yo, guys.
Yeah.
What is psychedelic?
What's what?
You guys always say it. It's a word. Fricandel or something? Yeah, psychedelic.
I actually had it yesterday.
What is it like? What is it? Is it like some type of sausage?
It's just meatballs. It's just Danish meatballs.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Because we have something in Holland that's exactly the same as the name, how you write it, how you pronounce it. And it's also meat, but it's not a meatball. It's like a meat stick.
Meat stick?
Well, I don't know how to explain it. I could say sausage, but it's not really like a sausage at all, is it? I don't know how to explain it.
Are you going back in a car, or is just leaving?
I'm going in. I'm loading car 32.
Okay, what car are you in?
The R6.
Oh.
Yeah, exactly.
Should I hop in the M5?
Go ahead.
Or maybe the Julia Quad.
You know what car would be really cool in this game in my opinion, but I know it's never gonna hit, absolutely never. It's the, you know the 2014 E63 we had in the server, right?
E55, right?
Oh, that was the E63.
You said 2004.
14.
Oh, 14. Okay, never mind. Yeah, what about it?
If they had the EDS version of that in this game, that would be so
The
great.
2014 shit mod though. 2018. Especially.
I don't give a fuck. I like it. I don't give a fuck.
The one we have right now, the Estate, is the best version of an E60.
I just like the looks of that 2008. Come on.
Okay, this is no Peugeot.
Don't worry. Come on, man.
I need to turn down my audio.
I forgot how absolutely incredibly fast this thing is.
Yeah, completely overcooked it like an idiot. Go, lead follow. Okay, so Papa, you're in front, you choose the direction we go.
Gotcha. My brakes aren't working. My pedal is fucked. Really? No, wait. I don't know what's...
Whoa! Parked on the race line.
Yeah, yeah, just keep on going.
Okay.
Sometimes it's good and sometimes.
Could it be because the R6 has shit brakes?
No, literally my pedals, like, I press it completely and it only does like 25.
You've got the monitoring pedal thing, right?
Well, there's like a software, Ray or whatever it's called.
Oh, right.
But it's weird, sometimes it does it completely. The R6 is so long.
Ooh, this Alpha is good to drive.
go in front.
Yeah, that goes up in front. He was second. Yeah. Don't mind me, I'm just warming up the tyres.
Not at all.
The automatic gearbox makes this car so much better. You just bang off the gears all the time. It's bang, bang, bang. Oh, we revved it.
My pedal, what the fuck?
My pedal, as it goes off. Full send into that corner.
Well, I can't help it, my pedal is fucked up. Sometimes it doesn't
I just did like a 400 meter drift around here. Oh, that looks good in the rear view. Nice, that all-wheel drive one barely feels like it. Oh, the touring? Yeah, it's a really good looking car if you ask me. Oh, my rear tyres are completely cooked. I've got no grip. Oh, Pop! Oh shit, Pop's gonna overtake us. Opposite direction. I mean, we're the only guys on tracks, pretty much.
No, I don't care. On the straight, me and the